Hi. So in the previous video I showed you this arm with a super awesome and cute clickety click. Now today we're going to work with this SMALLRIG arm that I want to connect directly to the MFT table. Now I already made this part. Just glued it in, and I already sized it to fit nicely into the hole, and it feels pretty stable. I mean, I don't have a giant arm on top of it, but so far so good. I just gotta machine it a little, slice off the glue here, make it pretty, and cut off the sharp corners, tap it for the 3/4 inch, and make sure I make little cuts for those things. I know I can unscrew them, but they make the whole arm a little more stable. Let's go. to the SMALLRIG arm. It's really amazing. It's very nice, solid, super well built, strong. And I love this little mechanism on top. You push a button. There are these 4 pins that drop, spring loaded. Now there are 4 tracks on this part. Slide it in, can't slide it in unless I push the button. I push the button, it slides very freely. Click. Very, very nice. Now I have to remove it. So in the part that I made, make a hole in the center and then make 2 holes for the 2 posts here. The posts are removable. I kind of like them there, keeps it more solid. Let's put it together. It's not going anywhere. Put it into the rig. And put it in the table. Okay, fine. So it's also wobbly. But guess what? Once I put the camera on, adjust everything to how I want. Move everything how I want. Once I tighten it, that's it. Sitting there, it's pretty good. I think this is a success. What do you guys think? Subscribe, comment, brand new channel, it's like 3 days old. Help the brother out. All right, peace out, guys.